A short review about Personal Capital. There is an investment platform, a platform there you can simply invest your money, grow your money, and you can grow on interest or anything you want to invest your money. So how you can simply get started and all the details about this platform called Personal Capital, an empowered company. Now, Personal Capital is light on personal finance tools but heavy on investment tracking and retirement planning. The site does offer basic transcription or transaction management and budgeting, but its emphasis on the looking towards your future. So it's just a type of a budgeting application or platform, but it focuses mainly on your future, like after retirement process. The rating you can see is 3.5. That comes to good, not too good, not too bad. In between, that is good. So let's discuss the pros and cons of this website. The pro is this is free. Yes, this is for free. There is a major reason to download or use this application. Exceptional user experience, excellent investment data and feedback, personalized retirement planning, and good customer support. Limited transaction management and budgeting, that is a cons of it. No credit health information, you won't get credit health information on this platform, and it doesn't let you manually enter the transactions. So this is how you can exactly use it. But if you ask about me, my recommendation will be yes, you can use it if you want to use it for free, but if you can afford a bit higher amount of subscription, so you can choose a better platform than this website. Thank you so much for watching this video.